Hello guys, and welcome to my new channel. My name is Melissa, and I am starting this lifestyle motherhood channel because this is something that I have wanted to do for so long. So let me just tell you a little bit about myself and what this channel is going to be about, and hopefully it's something that interests you and you want to subscribe and follow along. So like I said, my name is Melissa. I am married. It is so much harder talking to a camera than you would think. It's like I can't breathe normally or something. But anyway, I'm married. I've been married for almost 7 years now, and my husband and I have a little girl. Her name is Alessandra. She is just about to turn 3. She's absolutely beautiful, perfect. She's our first, our only, and we just adore having her. So doing YouTube is honestly something I have wanted to do for so many years. I mean, so many years. I have kind of recorded little videos on my phone before to see what it felt like. And I've always been interested, but just flat out too scared, because honestly, it is kind of scary to put yourself out there and to put your family out there. And I've had a lot of hesitations about it, but it's something that I want to do and I want to try it. I mean, I've had so many excuses. One, that fear. 2, I'm not generally a very bubbly person. I'm more of introverted and tend to be very more reserved and quiet. And I didn't know how that personality type would do on YouTube. So yeah, just tons of excuses. But what's kind of pushed me is, one, now I'm in a good place where it just makes sense for me to do it as a hobby, just take it on and try it out. But 2, when I was pregnant, YouTube became such a source of support for me because I found other mommy YouTubers out there that were putting it all out there, just being vulnerable, sharing, talking about how things are going, from first trimester to second trimester. What should I pack in my hospital bag? What should I pack in my diaper bag? What kind of postpartum things did I need? I didn't know any of this, but I really didn't have anybody to talk to about what to expect. And so the mom community on YouTube became a huge source of comfort to me. So from that point, I always knew that I really wanted to do it. I really wanted to get out there, and I wanted to share too, in hopes that I could help somebody else. I want to do videos about how I sleep trained my daughter. I exclusively pumped for quite a long time. It's something I do want to talk about, share the tips, the tricks, the struggles. So I want to talk about all those kinds of mom things, but then I want to do lifestyle videos, maybe throw in some vlogs. I am an avid Costco shopper. I love Costco. I've loved Costco for over a decade. So Costco hauls, obviously, I love watching them. I would love to share. Just day-to-day mom life stuff that we all relate to. And that's the kind of content that I want to put out there. I mean, I'm aware that there's a ton of other mom bloggers out there, and lifestyle type videos, but that's okay with me because I feel like everybody truly has something unique to share and something that somebody else is going to relate to. So if any of what I've said interests you, if you would like to follow along with me and get to know me and my beautiful little daughter and my husband, my family, I would love to have you subscribe. And feel free to comment. I would like to get to know people and start to build a community. So yeah, that is what you can expect. And I welcome any tips from anybody. If anybody has anything to say that they think might be helpful to me, I am all ears, ready to listen. So hopefully soon I will have my very first official video up and running. But until then, we will see you very soon. Bye.